संजय कुरतरी हांव एक पॉलिटिकल सिंगर. फाटी एक इशू जालो की हांवें सेंटिमेंट हर्ट केलें न्हू आनी एकल्यान म्हजे केस घायली, डिफॉमेशन कंप्लेन फायल केली आनी तो म्हाका हें करपा लागलो, म्हळ्यार स्टॉप करपा लागलो. हांवें त्या कांतरान स्वता तें हाडलोलें, कितें पेपराचेर येयलां म्हाका कितें प्रूफ आहा तें हांवें हाडलोलें. हांवें कोणाचें नांव कांय घेवना. सो हांवें तें चॅक मारलोलें. इफ तो आपणे तकले तें घालता आपूण तो मनीस न्हू जाल्यार म्हाका प्रॉब्लम ना. आनी तें तर तो आतां म्हणटा आपूण हें कोर्टां वयतलो, हें करतलो, तें करतलो म्हणटा जाल्यार ही कॅन गो. म्हाका सगळे प्रूफ A to Z आहाय.
तूं आतां कितें थिंग करपा बंद करतलो?
ना बंद करपाना, हांव बंद करपाना. आनी मुखार जाल्यार वयतलो.
आतां तूं तेजेर डेफिमेशन केस बी घालतलो?
एक्चुअली हांवें कांय तेजें नांव घेवना, बट तेणें म्हजें नांव घेयलां. हांवें म्हाका कोण फायनान्स केलां. सो तेका हांव चॅलेंज करपाक सोदता, बाबा प्रूफ कोन्न दाखय आनी प्रूफ आसल्यार उलोवपा जाय मनशान. कळ्ळें तुका न्हू. सो हांव तेजें डिफॉमेशन हांव एडवोकेटाक उलयलो ना, आतां मुखार उलयतलो. सद्या म्हाका लोकांनी सपोर्ट केला. तुमकां जाय जाल्यार तुमी फेसबुकाचेर वचून कमेंट चोवपा जाताय. आनी म्हाका म्हगे एडवोकेटान बी म्हाका सपोर्ट केला, एडवोकेट ऑफिसान.
It was very unfortunate that an offence was registered under against this boy Ellison the Kurtori, who was a 22-year-old boy, under sections 295A and section 500 of the Indian Penal Code. Now, section 295A was the non-bailable offence for which he was charged under, and which says that it is for hurting the religious beliefs or faith of a particular class of people. Now, if you have seen the song which was sung by this stage artist Ellison the Kurtori, I don't see in what way the beliefs of any particular class of people could be hurt. The only thing what I can make out of this is that this is a total abuse of the process of law. The political class has used the police machinery to suppress the voice of the people. Freedom of speech and expression is enshrined in the Constitution. Article 19 guarantees us that right. But what has happened today was an attempt by the government to suppress our voice. Now, we were constrained to move this anticipatory bail, as on Tuesday, the 2 police jeeps full of police went to the residence of this boy Ellison the Kurtori and they searched his house. Fortunately, Ellison was not at home at that time, so we had to move the anticipatory bail for Ellison. Now we filed the bail on Wednesday. The matter came up for arguments on Friday, and today, that is Monday, the Honorable Principal Session Judge granted Ellison the Kurtori the anticipatory bail. So, from this it can be seen that the voices of people are being suppressed, and we're really happy with the verdict. And I wish Ellison the Kurtori all the best.
What are the conditions?
The only condition that has been imposed, what have been told to us, is that he may have to report to the police if the police require him.
And what is the bond?
20,000 personal bond.